Okay, I'm here at my community garden. I am a little sad because I haven't been able to come out in a while. This is my new tomato plant. Something's crawling on me. Some flowers. Another cabbage. And then under this crate, I was protecting my carrot seeds. You see those? My peppers are doing great. This was a new addition from the plant sale. Got a couple little dots on there. Gotta see what that's all about. I have greens growing here. I have collards growing here. They don't look too hot. Got some cabbage. Must have dropped the seed right there because something's coming up. Nice row of weeds. But overall, we're getting there. Not fast enough, but takes time. And we have a papaya tree. This is my neighbor's. I don't know what he's growing, but it looks really nice. And then this is my other neighbor's. His looks really nice as well. Really nice. I don't know what's growing in that one. That guy's doing whatever he's doing. Nice gardens. Nice rows. Nice older lady. This is hers. Has whatever she's growing and rosemary. Nothing in this one yet. But yeah. Another nice lady. She has cabbage and collards, tomatoes. That one needs help. I don't know what's going on in that one. Aloe and passion fruit.